Hi everybody, this is Terry and we're here for the monthly challenge drawing, and this is for the LineDotArrow, of course, challenge with the Books, Bugs, and Botanicals series. And this is our Facebook group here at Junk Journal Tutorials and More. And let me tell you what the prizes are. First place prize is 3 junk journal kits by LineDotArrow. And the second place prize is 2 junk journal kits by LineDotArrow. And the third place kit, I told you I always get it wrong. And the third place prize is 1 junk journal kit by LineDotArrow. All right, so let's go over to the guts here of the old operation. Here's our database of names that were entered. We have 104, so let's put that in. Not quite as many as Sweet Pea Papers, which is kind of funny. It's usually the other way around. Okay, so we have 104, and let's draw for the third place prize. Number 82. Becky Dawson. I think she won in the other one. Oh no, she won in the mini challenge for the new group Junk Journal and Paper Crafts. Yeah, so be sure to visit over there. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a minute. Okay. And let's generate another number. Number 9 wins second place. Beatrice, now you just won in the Sweet Pea Papers one. So you've won in both. Now this just goes to show you that you can enter in every one of the Facebook groups. There's going to be 5 drawings today. And, or 4 drawings today. 5 drawings today. I think SavageArt is still in. And you could win once in each one of those drawings. So make sure to go to SavageArt, TwoSisterJam, LineDotArrow Junk Journal Group, Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal Tutorials, and More. And next month, then the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts group will be included, and that'll be 6 drawings. You have a great chance of winning. Okay, so she won second place. And when you see their name in 4 times like that, that means they've entered 2 different pictures with using the kit, because that gets you 2 entries. So that double entry really helps. See, here's Michelle and Wendy, etc., etc. And the first place prize goes to number 45. And that's April Broughton. First place. That's 3 junk journal kits by LineDotArrow. Now, be sure to watch the monthly update video that just came out today, and that gives you the big scoop on October, all the fun stuff that we're going to be doing. And we're having the 4th annual Teeny Weeny Halloweeny journal, so you guys will like that. And plus there's 2 or 3 other projects that are Halloween for the month of October, so you're going to be busy, busy, busy. And I think that's all I'm going to say about that. But just remember that next month, the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts Facebook group is going to be included in all of our challenges and drawings and such for the group. And so you want to make sure to jump on over there if you're not already a member, and get in on the drawings over there too. Okay, well, that's it for this drawing, and I will see you at the end of next month. Okay, bye-bye.